New at noon, a court hearing today in an effort to end the legal battle over the last undecided case of the 2024 election. It has been 136 days since the election, and today a three-judge panel hearing arguments in the state Supreme Court race.
Tamara Scott is live with more on this. Tamara, there's a push to throw out 65,000 absentee ballots that lawyers say should be thrown out.
Yeah, they're the highest stakes battle for the highest court in the ninth largest state continued today inside the Court of Appeals, where three judges listened to arguments from the two candidates for the state Supreme Court in the undecided race. As it stands right now, despite recount and election protests, Democrat Allison Riggs leads Republican challenger Jefferson Griffin by just 734 votes out of more than 5.5 million ballots. Today in the Court of Appeals, Republican candidate Griffin is challenging over 65,000 ballots in the North Carolina Supreme Court race, arguing three main points. Procedural issues that the Board of Elections wrongly dismissed his protest, voter eligibility, contending that thousands of voters were registered after 2004 and overseas voters did not provide ID, which violates state law, and concerns on legal precedent. They argue that under state law, ballots cast by ineligible voters should be disqualified, and a corrected vote count or potentially a new election should be ordered. Now, the North Carolina Board of Elections argues that canceling over 60,000 votes is unfair and destabilizing, especially since the voters followed established rules. They emphasize three key points. Timing, as the election has been over for 4 months and long-standing rules have been in place without objection. Fairness, that innocent voters should not lose their rights due to administrative mistakes, and also notice and procedure, stating that petitioners failed to properly notify voters of a protest and using methods like a QR code.
Our argument is not that you should change the rules today. Our argument is please enforce the rules that exist at the time.
It is far too late to change the rules of an election that ended more than 4 months ago, and doing so would violate our state Supreme Court's decision.
And now the court will weigh whether or not voters should be held accountable for administrative mistakes, and if canceling these ballots is an appropriate remedy. This is a ruling that could have significant implications for future elections. Back to you.
Tamara Scott live in Raleigh for us as that three-judge panel is hearing discussions. Tamara, thank you.